Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand, and we're running through a project over in Woodstock. Just a little cleanup and get it ready for sale project. We're running out of time here, so I'm going to go really fast. Someone tried to repair this crack here on the left side of the garage. We'll come in and repair that properly and dimple it so it blends in, and then repaint this wall. We'll take these two shutters down that don't make any sense here at all and caulk around that door jamb and paint this whole lower area right here, just through here. So it'll look a lot better. It'd be a good idea to pressure wash this house and get it cleaned up a little bit. Some of the trims need to be repainted, like around the garage doors here. They're not rotted, they're starting to rot. And if we can just caulk this black line and just repaint the trim at the door here, trim at the door over here. Got a little bit of rot in the fascia board right here behind this gutter. The gutters are clogged, they need to be cleaned. The gutters leak, so we're not worried about repairing the seal, but we'll just replace that rotted fascia right there. Rotted wood and peeling paint just scares buyers right now. It's simple stuff. Someone put a piece of OSB around this hose bib right here. I would just get that out of here. I'm not sure why he did that. You can see the condition of the gutters here, just dirty and nasty. Just clean them off. This trim over here is pretty decent, so I'm not too worried about it. There's a little piece of rot right here in this corner. I'd leave that one for a home inspector because it's not obvious, so I wouldn't fix that one right now. But you can if you want. It's not a big repair. Whoever built this little porch back here, they added these gutters from Home Depot and they were never done right. You really wouldn't want to drain against the house like that. I kind of get why they did it, but you're just running water towards the house. You never really want to do that. You can see inside the porch right here, whoever did this porch back here used OSB for trim. So it's totally expanded this piece that needs to be replaced out of there. This is the problematic corner back here because the yard, everything runs into this corner right there. So we really need to do away with this drain right here. We need to trench at this brick up against the house and run an underground pipe from this corner back to this outside over in here so it can drain to the side yard. Right now we're getting water inside the house, a ton of water. Because the gutters are clogged, water's right now coming over the top of that gutter onto this roof, into this corner gutter, and it's just stuck there. So some of it's seeping in against the foundation, some of it is seeping in here. You can see where the house settled a little bit. See that little crack? We'll put a little bit of caulk in that crack in the Nietzsche siding. This isn't hardy plank, this is Nietzsche Hana. See the black gap between this trim board right here? We'll come all the way down that window line and caulk and seal the window all the way around. The flashing's cut short, we're not gonna fix that. You can see the condition of this trim right here. The back window trims just all need to be painted. Kind of hard to see. Again, I'm rushing because we're running out of light. Same thing with this window over here. This gutter, normally, you can see where the fascia board back here is all rotted and the water's getting against the house right here. How they did this. This needs to be flashed and sealed. And right now it's trapping water in that corner right there. So we can fix all that stuff. It's not major. The last thing I would probably do, and you can't see it maybe so well here, but if you come back out in the daylight, see this trim on the chimney? Just paint that trim. Then you do all that stuff and clean up the little bit of repairs on the inside of the house. Some painting, and back on the other side, opposite this window, there's some OSB trim that's similar to what they used on the sill right here inside the porch. Anytime that stuff gets water, it's cardboard, so it just expands. So you need to replace that, treat it with microban, probably repaint the first floor area, and we'll be good to go. It's me, my brother, and a team of 30. We've been all over Metro Atlanta for 27 years. It's hard to believe, but you can reach us at 770-912-2829, or sometimes you can get me directly at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy, Handy Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.